Welcome to a comprehensive exploration of Service Mesh Observability Architecture. This presentation will delve into the core architecture of a Service Mesh Observability system, highlighting the interplay of components and data flow within a Kubernetes environment. Here, we see the Service Mesh Observability Architecture. This diagram illustrates the various layers and components involved, from the Kubernetes cluster to the observability and application layers, showcasing how data flows through the system. The component organization includes the service mesh, applications, monitoring tools, and user interfaces. Each plays a crucial role in managing traffic, collecting metrics, and providing insights into the system's behavior. Data flow begins with external traffic entering through the Istio gateway. Metrics are collected by Istio sidecars and forwarded to Prometheus, while Jaeger collects distributed traces. Tools like Weave Scope provide detailed insights, all presented through intuitive dashboards. Key integration points include Istio sidecars, Prometheus, Weave Scope, Jaeger, and Kiali. Each tool offers unique capabilities, from traffic management to detailed performance analysis, ensuring a comprehensive observability solution. User interaction involves external users accessing applications through the Istio gateway, administrators utilizing monitoring tools, and developers debugging and optimizing code. Each user group plays a vital role in maintaining system health. The benefits of Service Mesh Observability include improved visibility, enhanced debugging, and streamlined operations. These advantages help in identifying issues faster, pinpointing root causes, and ensuring smooth system performance. Key considerations for implementing observability include data retention policies, security measures, and managing performance overhead. Balancing these factors is crucial for effective and efficient observability. Next steps involve exploring various monitoring tools to find the best fit for your needs, using a combination of tools for a holistic view, and implementing robust security measures to protect sensitive data.